Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this Jack in the Box on Dress to Impress. So first of all, you do need VIP for this, I think. And then we are just going to go to the code item section first. We're going to get her. I'm just going to color this body white, the blush red, the dress. Can't really see it, but I'll do like the same pattern-ish. And then I'll do red for that as well. And denim. Hair, I'm going to do red hair. Headband, I'll do this color. Hair clips, that color. And then buttons and shoes, I'll just leave it as black. Then we are going to need the presents, which is in the Christmas area, I think. Wait, no, we don't need this one. We just need the normal presents. What am I talking about? It's this one, sorry. And then I know this covers it, but just leave it be for now. I'm just going to color that the same. And then we are going to need this VIP bag so that doesn't cover the face. And just leave it as the hand toggle. I'm just going to color it kind of similar to the rest of my outfit here in red. And that is how you can create this Jack in the Box prop item on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.